Welcome back to the podcast brought to you by SDC. We're going to talk about a few assumptions that can complicate a move to Costa Brava. Clear them now, and your first months will get better. First, every town feels the same. Well, not here. Some of the towns are artistic and remote. Others are lively and have working ports that are practical. And others are small cities with medieval heart. You choose by feel, not by photos. Next, I can lock a long-term rental online. The market is seasonal and relationship-driven. Many great homes never hit portals, and older buildings can be hard to read on camera. Arrive, tour, and walk to local agents. Begin with a short-term base. Customs will be quick and automatic. It is predictable when it's prepared, but it still has to be detailed. Your inventory must match exactly, and documents must align with your visa or residency. Because your container clears at a mainland port before the final road leg, accuracy protects your timeline. It's always tranquil. Well, much of the year is calm. Summer brings festivals and a lot of visitors. Most residents grow to love the rhythm. There's reflective winters, energetic summers, and a community that breathes with the sea. Cultural adjustments will be minimal. The identity is distinct. Lean into it. Learn a few words, be patient with local processes, and a willingness to learn will integrate you faster than any checklist. And here's how SDC will help. We're going to design a plan for a port-to-coast move, pack to Spanish-compliant standards, coordinate sea or air freight, prepare customs correctly, provide secure storage if needed, and communicate clearly so you always know what is next. For more information, visit our website or give us a call, 844-651-7050.